Hi everyone, so for today's video, we're gonna make Spanish sardines pasta. So what we like to use with the Spanish sardines is the angel hair pasta. So first is madaming garlic, like lots of garlic dapat. Actually, alam nyo na to, alam nyo na kung paano. You already know how to chop garlic. The pasta is cooked, the garlic is chopped. We will gisa. We will gisa the garlic. Hindi ako nakapagsali ng pepper. If you wanna cook something like in 5 minutes, no, not 5 minutes, like 10 minutes, ito. Kasi yung boiling pa lang ng pasta, ilang minutes na din naman yun. Mga 15. Sulitin lang natin yung lasa. Pwede ko pa siya lagyan ng water. Diba nagmamadali siya. Hinaan natin yung apoy. Siguro anting pasta water. Like very light lang. Hindi nyo kailangan gumamit ng olives. Ito ay optional. You can add cheese pa later. It's actually done. I turned off the stove already. Pwede na to. Mahal, let's eat na. Okay na to. Yan. Yun daw dapat. Now let's try it. Mahal, bahala ka. Magsasandok na ako, ha? So, this is it. My Spanish sardines pasta. Kain. Bango! Ay. Oh my gosh. We were able to bring 4 Spanish sardines dito. Hindi siya kinuha sa immigration, but... Immigration ba yun? Hindi siya kinuha sa security check. Pero sa security check, hindi siya nakuha sa customs. Walang green card yung sardines. They didn't get the cans because ang dami. Okay, the security check lahat ng luggage namin. We have 4 check-ins. Lahat yun na security check. May mga tag siya after namin kuhain. But it's okay. Hindi nila nakuha yung mga Delimondo, Pancit Canton, ganyan. Nakapag-uwi kami ng mga ganun. It's so good. Chop nyo? Chop. Check nyo yung mga malalapit na Asian store sa inyo kung merong Spanish sardines. Sana meron. Bye-bye!